Oh my gosh. She looks amazing though.
My name is Ashley Adams. I'm a clerical staff member here at Pets Incorporated. Pets Inc. was founded in 1992 by two women. They established a no-kill shelter that welcomes cats and dogs here. We have homed over thousands of animals, and we just recently opened up our own clinic where our vet does spay and neuter surgeries and offer cheek shots clinic on Fridays and Saturdays. So if you want to come in and get your animal vaccinated, we offer those services here. Although we're not a full service vet, we can do some stuff. Today we're having a Halloween party for the children and the animals, and we're having a contest for the animals and the children. We're giving away treat bags for the animals and the kids as well. We're going to have apple bobbing, and we're going to have cotton candy, and we're giving away cupcakes and cookies, and we just ask for a small donation. We'll be selling popcorn for $1 and stuff like that.
My name is Christy Buchanan. I am an artist that specializes in bright, fun, funky paintings, and I do a lot of pet portraits for Pets Incorporated. I started working with them years ago when I fostered pets. I've adopted pets through them. One of the paintings that we have is Hammy. He's kind of the center part of the painting of my display here, and he was a Pets Incorporated dog that had no hair when he came on to him, had almost died. Hammy stayed with us for over 1.5 years, and he was got to have hair all over the place. So he's one of the portraits, and then I do a lot of other pet portraits for people that are just bright, fun, happy ways that you can enjoy your pet hanging on the wall.